Meanwhile, CBD acts as a neuroprotective buffer, dampening overactivity in the amygdala, the brain's fear and stress center, and stabilizing prefrontal cortex regulation. Emerging neuroimaging studies suggest that cannabinoids may encourage neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to reorganize and adapt. This has profound implications for the treatment of post-traumatic stress disorder, chronic pain, and mood disorders. Cannabis is proving not to be a destroyer of neural integrity, as once claimed, but a potential catalyst for its repair. The biotechnology revolution. The scientific exploration of cannabis has entered an age of precision. Researchers are now mapping its genome, identifying the pathways that produce cannabinoids and terpenes, and even bioengineering these compounds through yeast cultures. In laboratories from Tel Aviv to Toronto, the plant is being reimagined as a biotechnological platform for next-generation medicine. Scientists are isolating lesser-known cannabinoids such as CBG and CBN, investigating their anti-inflammatory and neuroprotective properties. Geneticists are developing cannabis strains optimized for specific medical applications: epilepsy, anxiety, cancer pain, and neurodegeneration among them. Biotechnology is taking what farmers once grew in soil and reconstructing it at the molecular level for clinical precision. The global scientific consensus. After decades of stigma, global institutions are finally acknowledging cannabis's legitimate medical potential. Major reviews by the National Academies of Sciences, Engineering, and Medicine confirm substantial evidence supporting cannabis for chronic pain, multiple sclerosis, and chemotherapy-related nausea. The World Drug Report from the United Nations now recognizes its medical applications across more than 50 nations. This shift marks the beginning of an era where evidence, not emotion, guides public health policy. Cannabis is no longer a symbol of counterculture, it is an instrument of medical progress and economic innovation. The same societies that once outlawed it are now racing to understand and regulate its potential. A global awakening driven not by ideology, but by data. Redefining the relationship. To decode cannabis is to rediscover humanity's dialogue with nature. It is to understand that this plant was never meant to divide law from science or morality from medicine. Cannabis challenges us to rethink how healing, consciousness, and biology intersect. Its chemistry is not rebellion, it is balance. What centuries of prohibition concealed, science is now unveiling. A natural system of intelligence where plant molecules and human cells speak a common language. Cannabis does not alter our biology, it completes it. In the story of this plant lies a deeper lesson, that progress is not about conquering nature, but about learning from its design.